रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
A place where history still whispers through the dust, where every breeze seems to carry the echo of a great resolve. Yes, today we are here at Matar, a quiet village in the heart of Gujarat. It was here when truth met courage, and a simple march became a movement that turned the nation's destiny. Matar is the village that is forever linked to India's freedom struggle. On 14th March 1930, Mahatma Gandhi and his fellow Satyagrahis reached here, turning this peaceful place into a living symbol of truth and determination. The Dandi March began from the Sabarmati Ashram on 12th March 1930, a journey of 241 miles over 24 days, a march against the unjust salt law imposed by the British. Before leaving, Gandhiji made a solemn vow: "Until India is free, I shall not return to the ashram." When Gandhiji arrived at Matar, villagers welcomed him with songs, garlands and devotion. Two new marchers joined the movement here, becoming the 80th and the 81st Satyagrahis. In his speech, Gandhiji said, "The salt tax is barbaric. It crushes the poor. To fight it is to walk the path of God." That night, Gandhiji rested under the open sky. In 61 years of age, he endured the pain, the dust, the heat and the fatigue with unshakable resolve. The full moon of Holi shone bright, filling the marchers with peace and hope. At nearby Vasna, Gandhiji urged everyone to wear khadi and spin their own thread, saying, "The spinning wheel is your sacrifice, the true path to service and self-reliance." The Dandi March passed through 21 historic stops, spreading the message that freedom is born from truth, non-violence and unity. And here in Matar, that message found its true voice. The dust of Matar still carries the echoes of the vow: salt for the poor and freedom for the nation. A true reminder that strength lies not in force but in faith. And today, as we stand in Matar, we can still feel the same spirit, the spirit of sacrifice, courage and unwavering faith in truth. This land reminds us that freedom was not just won on the battlefield, but also earned through the purity of purpose and the strength of human soul. Even today, Gujarat tourism preserves this historic site with care. Visitors can explore the memorial, prayer grounds and peaceful rooms in the premises. So today, we visited Matar, and in its silent paths and sacred air, we not just found a story of the past, but a living legacy of Gandhiji's vision for India.
सबको सन्मति दे भगवान, ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे